Here's how to easily clean and restore your copper bracelet. This method is for solid copper pieces only. This is a bracelet I've been wearing daily. Workouts, sweat, even sleep. Over time, you can see the natural patina forming. That darker layer and occasional marks on the skin are completely normal. It's how real copper reacts with moisture and air. The simplest method is using steel wool. Gently rub the surface. And right away, you'll see the difference. From dull and oxidized to clean and shiny. This method alone is usually enough for a full restore. For a faster or deeper clean, you can use a rotary tool or drill with a metal brush. Use a softer, brass, gold brush for polishing, and a stronger, steel, silver brush for heavier buildup. You can hold it by hand, or secure the bracelet in a vise for more control. Always go gently. Let the tool do the work. After wiping it down, you get a clean, bright copper finish again. Simple, fast, and effective. Here's the difference. Before, fully oxidized, after, restored and polished. That's it. With regular wear, patina will come back. And that's part of the beauty of real copper. You can clean it anytime depending on the look you prefer.